Hello guys and welcome to our in-depth tutorial and review of Clockify, which is a leading time tracking solution designed for individuals and teams aiming to enhance productivity and accountability. Over the next minutes, we will explore its features, demonstrate a real-world use case example, and provide an honest feedback and assessment of its strengths and the areas for improvement, okay? It's important to notice that this app has a free plan, but if you want to make the best out of it and you want to access the functions such as scheduling, time off and invoicing, you're gonna have to get a plan, okay? But the free plan is good enough for basic users and users that do not need to do a lot of actually team-related stuff, okay? So yeah. Anyways, just come to me and let's click on the start tracking time. It's free. You're gonna create an account and you're gonna be redirected to this dashboard here. In this dashboard, in the left panel, you're gonna have access to essential features such as the time tracker itself, which is the most basic one, the calendar, the dashboard, and the reports. Okay, so yeah, in order to track time, click on the time tracker section, of course, and you're gonna have to enter the task name, which in my case is gonna be designing homepage. Okay, and you can add this to an existing project or to a client, or you can create even a new project, which I'm gonna show you how to do later. Now you have a couple of more different options, which is you can add certain tags. Let's say, for example, this is for my coding, tasks. Okay, we can click Control plus Enter basically to create like this kind of tag here, and that's going to allow us to categorize our tasks and our the things that we do better basically. And you can also select this non-billable option here or the billable option, which is going to allow us to keep track of basically the tasks that we are getting money from. Okay, and after you're ready, you can just click on start. Okay, amazing. And now we have this timer running on. Okay, once you stop the timer, what's going to happen is that the entry is going to be logged and can be reviewed later. As you can see, we have here the start time, the end time, the total time basically. And here we have different options. We can duplicate, we can delete, and we can actually continue it again, okay? In case that we press the button accidentally or we had to take a break for whatever reason, we can just press it again, okay? So that's very useful. Now that we are ready, we're gonna navigate to the project section, which is in here in the manage tab. Okay, great. And here we're going to be able to create a new project, okay? So let's just click on the new project button here. We're going to add a name, which is going to be website redesign. And the difference between a project and a task is that this is, a project can have basically like a variety of tasks. It's like a bigger thing, okay? So yeah, and it's usually going to take like a longer time, all right? Now, something that you can do is you can assign a certain client, okay, to your new project, which I don't have in this case, but we can start typing one in order to create one. Okay, so let's assign for example John Doe. Let's click on Control plus Enter, and there we have our first client. Okay, amazing. Now you can also use templates, but this is actually a premium feature. Okay, so you're gonna have to upgrade to a premium plan. All right. Now finally, you can select the color of your project. Okay, and you can select whether you want it to be public or not, meaning if you want it to be visible to all workspace members. There we go. Now what's going to happen is that if we come back to our time tracker section here, we can add these previous tasks that we added before, the design and homepage, to the project that we just created. Okay, in our case it's going to be website redesign. Okay, so let's actually assign it in here. Great. Also remember that you can add team members. This is going to be crucial, especially if you are on a paid plan, because that's going to allow you to have much more team features like I said before. But yeah, you can basically add your team members by coming to this tab in here, and you're gonna see yourself, okay, which in this case is me, and I am the owner. And I can add myself to a group or to create a new group, or more importantly, I can add new members if I click onto this button. This is as simple as just adding the different email addresses of my employees or my team members, okay? So yeah, that's actually very easy. Once you do this, they're gonna get an email. They're gonna have to accept the invitation, create an account, and they're going to be redirected to this basically team workspace, okay, in which they can start the different tasks that you assign to them, and so on, so on, so on. Very importantly, and on the similar note, you are going to have your billable rate, which is going to apply to you and to your employees, okay, and that's going to be basically like the amount of money that you're going to get per hour, okay. So as you can see here, I don't have any billable rate assigned, but I can easily change that, or for my employees by clicking onto this button. And you can basically assign a new billable rate. Let's say, I don't know, $50 per hour, okay? and let's assign this billable rate for onwards. Okay, so yeah. And when you do that, it's actually very easy because you can now come to your time tracker, and whenever you finalize a certain amount of time, that's going to be tracked in your project and in your tasks as well. Okay, so you kind of know how much money you're getting from these tasks. Similarly, you can come to the client section to add a new client. In my case, I did this from the project section or from the time tracker section. But yeah, you can do this in general from this section. It's much easier. Clockify's reporting feature provides insight into how time is allocated across different tasks and team members. You can generate detailed reports to analyze productivity and project progress by clicking into this button, into export. And you can just save as a PDF, as a CSV, Excel, or different formats. Okay, which is great. So as you can see here in the top section, we have basically like a bar chart, which is our billability, the amount of money that we gain that day. In my case, it's this amount here. And you can also change between project and billability, all right? And that's going to show you basically the amount of time that you dedicate to each project. Great. If we scroll down, you're going to get a pie chart, and you're going to get a similar chart, but with the division between different projects for each day, which is great. Similarly, in the detail and in the weekly sections, you're going to have, similar stats pretty much, but just shown in a different format for each different employee, okay, in terms of the amount of money and the time that they took for each task and project. The calendar view offers a visual representation of your times entries. In this case, you cannot see them because they're very, very small, but as you can see here, we can actually update them by dragging them up and down. Okay, so yeah, you have basically a different visualization of your time entries and your tasks, making it easier to identify how your week is structured, okay, for the different days. You can also switch to the day view here, and you can basically drag across these tasks, okay, in order to see them better. But of course, that's going to modify basically the start time and the end time. So I don't recommend that you do this unless this is true, of course, okay? And here you can see the amount of time that each task took, all right? Similarly, if you like, for example, Google Calendar better or that kind of visualization, you can just click on any time slot here, for example, and you can add a description of what you have worked on and the time and date endings, okay, as well as the projects as usual, all right? So that's great as well, okay? So to summarize, Clockify is a great tool with a free plan with unlimited users and projects. You have a very easy and user-friendly interface, and you have comprehensive reporting and time tracking functions, okay? The cons, in my opinion, is that the design in general maybe is not the best in terms of beauty. It's kind of, very, very simple in the bad sense, okay? The limited advanced project management features are only, for paid users. And yeah, that's pretty much it in my opinion. I think that Clockify is a great tool, and if you're a casual user, you're really going to enjoy this with the free plan, okay? So thank you so much, guys.